Welcome back, educators and students. In today's lesson, we're delving deep into outcomes-based assessment, OBA, and exploring the various tools that can help measure student success effectively. As we navigate this educational landscape, remember that assessment isn't just about evaluating students, it's a dynamic process that enhances both teaching and learning. Outcomes-based assessment, OBA, is our guiding principle. It compels teachers to define learning targets and competencies in language students clearly can grasp. OBA is not just an assessment, it's a way to simulate real-life tasks, preparing students for challenges beyond the classroom. Let's explore the three distinct yet interconnected purposes of assessment: assessment for learning, assessment as learning, and assessment of learning. These purposes drive both formative and summative assessments, ensuring continuous improvement and effective learning. Traditional versus authentic assessment. Traditional assessment, with its familiar paper and pencil tests, is essential for mastering foundational knowledge. However, authentic assessment, rooted in real-life experiences, adds depth. We'll discuss how these two approaches can work hand in hand, building a solid foundation for students. Guiding principles in the assessment of learning. Explore the 12 guiding principles that should underpin your assessment practices. From integrating assessment into the teaching-learning process to providing regular and clear feedback to parents, these principles will elevate your approach to assessment. Dive into a comprehensive list of assessment tools. Paper and pencil test, the traditional multiple-choice format. Performance-based assessment, tangible projects showcasing student achievements. Portfolio and e-portfolio, compilation of evidence showcasing skills, interests, and digital accomplishments. Graphic organizer, diagrams illustrating relationships among ideas or concepts. Creative assessment, student-created outputs, such as digital presentations or scientific papers. Journal writing, recording personal insights, reflections, and questions. Oral interview/questioning, verbal expression of ideas about complex concepts. Problem solving, application of knowledge to real-life situations. Observation and self-reports, tally sheets capturing student behaviors, activities, or remarks. Assessment rubric, evaluation based on criteria rather than a numerical score. Let's explore the three distinct yet interconnected purposes of assessment in the context of SDGs. Assessment for learning. This aligns with SDG 4 by providing continuous feedback to both teachers and students, fostering a supportive learning environment, and promoting inclusive and equitable quality education. Assessment as learning encourages students to actively engage in self-assessment, contributing to SDG 4's goal of developing the knowledge and skills needed to promote sustainable development. Assessment of learning supports the measurement of student achievement against competencies, contributing to the global understanding of educational outcomes, a key aspect of SDG 4. Traditional assessment, rooted in foundational knowledge, aligns with SDG 4. Authentic assessment, with its focus on real-life experiences, can be linked to various SDGs, such as SDG 8, decent work and economic growth. Authentic assessments prepare students for real-world challenges, fostering skills and competencies relevant to sustainable economic growth. SDG 11, sustainable cities and communities. Assessments that simulate real-life scenarios contribute to the development of skills needed for sustainable urban living. SDG 13, Climate Action. Authentic assessments may involve projects that address climate-related challenges, promoting awareness and action. As we wrap up, remember that assessment is not just a tool for grading, it's a powerful catalyst for student growth and teacher refinement, contributing to the broader goals of sustainable development. By mastering outcomes-based assessment and aligning our efforts with the SDGs, we're not just shaping grades, we're shaping a more sustainable and equitable future.